Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sanniecreates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have been MIA and I know that I have been MIA, but I had some health issues that I needed to sort out. Nothing major, my hand, my hand, and then I can barely get through the day because of my job. I am continuously sitting at the laptop, and then I don't want to use my hand in the evenings. But nevertheless, I have a kit out. I have a beautiful kit, and it has hit my Etsy store and my Ko-fi store. It is at 25% off, and it started last week. But as I mentioned, I didn't have time to get this out, and then it was a long weekend in South Africa, and I had my family over from another state, province. Okay, so there was no way I was going to get any videos out, but I hope that you enjoyed the kit, and if I remember correctly, it is a 28 page, a 28 page kit. It is spring themed. I didn't do an Easter one because I'm going to be a little bit late for Easter, so I left that out and I made a spring themed kit. It's got 10 main pages, 8 background pages, and 10 ephemera pages, and it is more on the pastel color range. And yeah, I'm hoping you're loving it because I love it. I wish I could do a journal with this, but I don't have time to do a journal because you will see in the video prior to this one, I'm involved in a collaboration, and time is not, I don't have a lot of time. So this page number 1, I can tell you one thing. I don't know whether I can hold back making a journal with this because these are just so my favorite colors. I love peach and I love browns. So yeah, I don't know. I do hope, even if I don't make one now, I'll probably make one sometime. I did print them, and I didn't print them borderless. I decided on this kit I'm not going to print them borderless. Okay, so there we go. But I also want to do my coffee one. So yeah. Oh, Anthony, so many kits and so little time. This one is, so what a cute little puppy. There's no way I could not put this puppy in. Okay, and a gnome. Okay, there, loving it. Lots of flowers and writing on it, background images and stuff like that. Oh my greatness. Now I just want to run to the computer and do my next kit, but the next kit is going to be, I think, sunflowers and bees. Okay, and then here too I carried over the floral theme because it is spring. Created a bit of writing space over here. Here's some writing spaces well over here, and yeah, so there's that one. Loving it. Okay, don't you just love the bird? So the bird that is here, I may have put the same bird in. I can't remember. Okay, but anyway, that is it. Loving all these little flowers over here. Oh, what is this? What is this? A squirrel. Yes, a squirrel, I'm sure. In the front of the little house over there with a lovely cherry blossom tree there. A little girl in the garden enjoying the spring breeze. Wow, imagine having a scene like that where you have your table over there and you open your windows and you have this beautiful spring garden, and then on this side is you are on the hilltop and you're watching the homes in your neighborhood with the ducks. Oh my word, what an idyllic place to be. Yes, so that's that. I've got like a little story going over here. And that is a rabbit over there. I decided to include a rabbit in there with 2 beautiful fairies. And there's the sweet little boy trying to get onto that swing. I'm not sure whether he's going to manage. And I'm speaking from a person who's extremely short. I'm going to tell you my height in centimeters and meters, so you can convert it, because I'm from South Africa, you know that. I'm 1.46 meters. That is 146 centimeters. Go and take out your tape measure, everybody. So that's that there. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. As usual, some colored, so not colored, some pages where you can write some information on. Loving these flowers. Oh, and I just had to put these two little fairies over here. I just thought they were so adorable. So I had to have them there. And I thought I'll give you some collage pages. I used to have them in my kits. And then, your style moves on to something else, and you come back, and then it's always a case of rotating. And here I did print them borderless, so loving that. Oh my goodness. And there's the other collage page as well. So I was watching a mini series when I was doing some of these pages over here, so some of them look a little bit new to me. That's gorgeous. I love that page over there. And I think it was all the background pages, if I'm not mistaken, in the collage. I was doing it while I was doing them, watching like a limited mini series. Yeah. So that's another one. Oh, this page speaks to me because of that brown tint on it. There's another one here. Okay. These the same one, but here I've got like windows into this one because I've got like writing on them. So it just creates a totally different effect over there. This kit is so beautiful. I'm sorry. I know if you're, if you feel I'm singing my praises. I love it. I love it. Okay, so there's another background page over here. Oh, and yeah, that's my son. And another one. He's probably calling me to come and eat supper. Yeah, there's another one over there. Another background page over there. Okay, and then these our ephemera. Those are my pockets. I don't know what we call. I think that's secretary pockets, if I'm not mistaken. And then these two that can go anywhere on the page. Oh, that puppy. Oh my gosh. Now let me not just get so excited about the puppy, because guess what? My Miley is getting a little bit old, and I promise now I don't know whether I'm gonna get another dog when she rests her head to go to heaven. I don't know. So these two journal cards that are portrait, and then these two journal cards that are landscape over here. Okay, well, beautiful. My big tags, I love big tags. You know that you can cut them, you can print them down to size or smaller. So there's 3 tags over here. I didn't put the other ones, the scallop ones in. I decided to change it up to pockets. Loving those pockets. Love those pockets. And some huge tickets. Thought I'll do some huge tickets, but I think I've done huge tickets in the other kit as well. You know, my envelopes, standard envelopes. Love those envelopes. We can do so many things with envelopes. My file folders and my circles, which we can do so many things with. And then my labels. Okay. My postcards and another tag over there. Ooh, yes, this is lovely. Yeah, I'm looking at the colors and I'm going, oh, I just need to be able to create this kit. There's some journal cards as well, kind of tickets but not tickets, and then your belly band or your side tuck over there. Oh, there's a puppy again. And then 2 other types of envelopes over here. And I think this is the large page where I give you some of these, what are these called? What are these called? Tabs over here. And then some of these tabs over here as well. And my clocks, I seem to like my clocks. And some banners as well. Oh my goodness gracious. Now I feel like I need to do a journal on this. Oh my word. so desperately feel I need to do a journal on it, but I don't have the time. Maybe I must start one. Maybe I must start it. Okay, but I've got 5 unfinished, 6 unfinished journals. The number keeps growing. Yes. So that's basically what this kit is about. And if you haven't as yet hopped over to my Etsy store or my Ko-fi store to buy this kit, I hope that this this video gives you some incentive to do so. Remember, on my Etsy you will get the zipped version. It is a JPEG version that's zipped, and then on my Ko-fi you get the JPEG version, and you get the PDF version if you like printing in PDF. Okay, both are 25% off. Make sure when you're on the Ko-fi one, there is a link that you need to click for your 25% off. Alright, ladies and gents, take care. Lots of love from me, Santhony and Sunny Creates, and wishing you an absolutely blessed week until I see you again. Bye bye.